Being underweight presents a set of complications. From physical to mental health, you may be struggling with several aspects. A person's build depends largely on genetic factors, which is why it is difficult for a naturally thin person to put on weight. The human body can change to a limited extent through weight training and increased food intake. Gaining or regaining weight can be just as difficult as losing weight. If you want to gain weight, there are healthy and safe ways to do so. What you need to understand is how to create a calorie surplus. The best foods to eat to gain weight help you create and maintain a calorie surplus. This means that each day the calories you take in are more than those your body uses. Additionally, physical exercise may help you build muscle mass and keep fit while you gain weight. Reasons for lack of weight gain. Some common reasons why a person may find it hard to gain weight include genetics, not eating enough, having a very physically active lifestyle or job, overexercising. Please note that some people are too thin because of a disability, eating disorder, substance abuse, or serious medical condition. These conditions are not addressed in this video. What foods to eat to gain weight and muscle? Avocados. While avocados appear dull and drab, they could be one of the best weapons in your weight gain arsenal. The fruit is soft, creamy, and smooth and is packed with more fat than almost all other fruits. They are also rich in fiber, as well as vitamins and minerals, can be added to many different meals or eaten on their own. In terms of weight gain, avocado can help you reach your desired weight thanks to the fact that one fruit contains around 322 calories, 29 grams of fat, 17 grams of carbohydrate and 4 grams of protein. Whole wheat bread. Whole grain bread is a good carb source to help you gain weight. Very simple, high-calorie, and well-balanced meals can be prepared by combining bread with protein sources such as eggs, meat, and cheese. Sandwiches are one of the easiest and portable meals for helping you gain weight. So go ahead and spread your avocado on whole wheat bread, which retains the fiber and other nutrients which are stripped during the process of making refined white flour. And if you don't enjoy whole wheat bread, you can try to mix it with some white flour, especially if you are doing the baking. Potatoes. Now, this is a well-known vegetable for weight gain. Potatoes are easily available, cheap, and anything cooked out of it is a delicacy. Potatoes help in gaining weight because they are potent sources of starchy carbohydrates. Carbs, as we know, help in storing unburnt fats in the body in the form of excess fat. Red meat. Red meat is an excellent source of protein that will help you gain muscle. It contains leucine, an amino acid that helps stimulate muscle protein synthesis. The fattier the meat, the more calories you'll take in. Bananas. Banana is healthy, tasty, and easy to consume. It is filled with nutrients and is a common breakfast staple across the globe. Doctors also recommend having a banana in the morning to stay energized throughout the day. Bananas are a convenient on-the-go snack and can be added to oatmeal or smoothies made with other high-calorie ingredients, such as nut butter or full-fat yogurt to help you gain weight. Peanut butter. Peanut butter is a healthy alternative to junk food for gaining weight. Along with boosting calories, peanut butter also offers a wide range of nutrients like healthy fats, dietary fiber, protein, etc. When it comes to peanut butter, a tablespoon serving of peanut butter has a whopping 191 calories. So if you are currently on a 6-meal-a-day plan, add 1 tablespoon of peanut butter to 4 to 5 meals to get an additional 400 to 500 calories. So, you can expect to gain about 0.5 kgs to 1 kilogram per week. Eggs. Eggs are great to eat to gain healthy weight. Not only are they packed with protein, vitamins, and minerals, but they also give you the energy you need to get through the day, and like meat, contain high-quality protein including the amino acid leucine. They are among the foods to eat to gain muscle weight. They're versatile, too, so you can make them however you like: scramble, fry, poach, or even make a delicious omelet. Resistance training for muscle gain. Train just 2 or 3 times per week to give your muscles time to recover. If you're tempted to train more often, remember that muscle growth occurs during recovery. Choose compound exercises that work multiple major muscle groups, for example, the squat and bench press. Make your workouts short and intense rather than long and leisurely. Don't waste your time or money on powders, pills and products that claim to increase muscle mass. These claims are not scientifically proven. Seek professional advice. A gym instructor, personal trainer, exercise physiologist or physiotherapist will help make sure you are doing each exercise correctly. Good advice will increase your gains and reduce your risk of injury. Conclusion. It's more challenging for skinny guys to build muscle. But these strategies can help you overcome the two biggest hurdles, such as not eating enough and your body not responding to your training. Once you start eating enough calories, you will notice how you gain weight and get bigger.